Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Saroj and I am a foundation level student at Mahan School Life at Campus Islamabad. And today I am doing my TEDx talk review and my topic is Words Make an Idea by Nabil Kadir. Today I watched an insightful TEDx talk titled What Makes an Idea by Nabil Kadir, and it truly changed the way I think about creativity, innovation, and success. We often believe that great ideas appear suddenly, like moments of genius, but this talk explains that ideas are not magic. They are the result of curiosity, observation, and problem solving. Every powerful idea starts with a simple question: what problem can I solve? So, viewers, Nabil Kadir highlights that successful ideas are born when we pay attention to everyday challenges around us. Instead of waiting for perfection, innovators observe people needs, understand gaps, and they build solutions step by step. Another important message from the talk is the execution method from then imagination. Many people have ideas, but only a few take action. An idea only becomes valuable when we work on it, test it, and learn from failure and keep improving. Watch this talk on the TED platform. Remind us that innovation is not limited to big companies or experts. Anyone with curiosity, dedication, and courage can create meaningful change. The talk also encourages young people to stop fearing failure. Every mistake teaches something valuable and helps refine an idea into something stronger. Progress happens when we experiment, learn, and stay consistent. My biggest takeaway from this talk is simple: ideas do not change the world, people can act, do ideas do. Thank you for watching my TEDx Talk review. This is my TEDx Talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda.